Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is SPUK and I create this channel to make content such as haircut tutorials, beard tutorials and barbering tools reviews, why not? If you're interested to see more, please subscribe. Thank you very much. So I start by brushing the beard a little bit. It's been messy for too long. Now I'm gonna use 1.5. This is gonna be the first guard, and I'm going with the grain. I'm just going straight down. I'm not following the face shape. Just removing bulk at the moment. I'm going over the mustache as well. As you can see, I'm going very slow, just removing bulk. Then I go underneath as well. Now 0, close, and just below the ear I'm doing a straight line. I'm not pushing, I'm not pressing too much. You don't want to hurt your skin. Then 0.5, just an inch below. This is gonna be the first guide. Number 1. Number 1 open. Same, I'm going an inch below. For a good transition, a good fade. Now I close number 1 and I'm just detail a little bit, so it's gonna be easier for me. As you can see, I don't press. You don't need to put a lot of pressure. Just go very soft over the beard. Clipper is gonna do the job. Then 0, open halfway. And I'm just fading in between 0 and 0.5. I'm going back to 1.5 guard. Close. Just detail the beard. You detail as much as you want until it looks good, it looks faded. Of course you can use different numbers, depends of the thickness of the beard. Here I'm using a trimmer, so I'm going to do the bottom line. Same here is very important. Skin is very sensitive, so I'm not pressing. I'm going just over very soft. And then after I tap, I turn over the clipper and I just clean. You can see I stretch the skin a little bit, so I have a little bit more tension. Then I'm going freehand. This is how I like to call this technique. It is a freehand. You need to go very slow and you have to be very careful because you can mess it up very easy. just above the lip, the contour just above the lip. And before I use the blade, I'm going on the cheek and just clean up. Same, I don't press. It looks like I press, but I don't. It looks a little bit better now. I see some more frizzy hair, so I'm going more freehand. The beard starts to look a little bit better. There is the before. One side is already done. And here I'm gonna do the taper. I'm gonna do a little small taper because it looks messy. My hair is long. I haven't cut my hair for 1.5 years already. So I'm gonna use number 1 close, and I'm going with the grain first. Then I go against the grain, open the number 1, open, and just slowly stretch the skin a little bit. And I want to clean everything up to my hair line. Now with the trimmer, I'm just gonna clean. I'm gonna remove the line, and I'm gonna create another line which is gonna be faded later on with the clipper open halfway, and just very short strokes. Close the lever one more time, and then the line is gonna be faded. Now with the trimmer, I'm going to do a shape up, just for a little bit more clean look. This is a very hard position, you can't really see, but I managed to do it. Then with the cutthroat razor, I'm going over the cheeks and very slow stretch the skin as well. 45 degree angle on a blade. And if you stretch the skin enough and you use the 45 degree angle, I promise you won't hurt yourself. Some people get red skin. That's not because of the irritation or something. It's just your skin is not used to blade right at the beginning. I try to use the razor there as well. And this is the right side, and this is the left side. This is the clipper I use. It's called GRR 2020 Fresh Fade. Very good clipper. If you want to see a review with this clipper, let me know. And this is the trimmer from the same company. Let me know if you want to see a review with the trimmer as well. This is a cutthroat razor I use. It's a pretty good one. And this is my beard oil. Smells good. Moisture your beard, your skin. I'm just gonna put 3 drops and going over the beard. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to see more videos, if you want to see reviews, or if you want to see haircut tutorials, please like this video. It's gonna help the channel a lot. Subscribe and share. Thank you very much.